Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, rear wheel drive, tires front all season. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.